Welcome to IACE. Today we have to discuss 18th March 2020 shift to SSC CHSL pure maths questions, right? So we'll start from question 1, right? Question number 1. What is question number 1? So p plus 1 by p equal to 2, then find the value of p cube. So already we discussed for x plus 1 by x. If p plus 1 by p equal to 2, what is p value? P is how much? 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So p is 1 means what is p cube? P cube is also how much? 1. So option A is the right answer. Direct question, simple question. Anytime if p plus 1 by p is 2 means p plus 1 by p equal to 2 means what is p value? P value is how much? 1. Okay, right. Then next one. Second one. See. If the perimeter of the rectangle, if the perimeter and the length of the rectangle are in the ratio of 6:1, perimeter and the length, perimeter means 2 into L plus B is to L is how much? 6:1 is given. And the area of the rectangle is area L into B is how much? 288 is given. Then find the length of the rectangle. Find the length of the rectangle. Actually, what we have to do in place of B, in place of L, what we have to write? L equal to 288 by, sorry, we have to find B kada, right? B equal to, in place of B equal to what we have to write in place of B? 288 by L we have to substitute here. So what we have to write? 2 into L plus 288 by L is to L equal to 6:1. Now we have to solve. So we'll get a L value. Idantha cheyalsin panledu. Directly OTP options. So options we have to check. That's it. So L into B is how much? L into B is how much? 288. So which option is divided with 288? L we want, length we want. Simply which option is divided by 280? This 288 is divisible, is divided with which number? That we have to see. Whether 12 is divided, 12 2s 24, 12 2s 24, 12 exactly. So it is dividing 9, 9 3s 27, right? It is also dividing. So this is not divided. And 8 3s 24. Yes, this is also. So 3 options are divided. So one by one we'll see, just simple. So first step, L into B. So 12 into, if L is 12 means what is B? B is how much? 24. So 12 2s, right? 12 2s 24, 24, right? 24. So if L is 12 means B is how much? 24, right? Now check whether 2 into L plus B is 2. So now we have to check 2 into L. L is how much? 12 plus B is how much? 24 is to how much? 12. Whether it is 6:1 or not, we have to see. 36 to 72 is to 12. So 6:1 exactly. This is 6:1. So option A is the right answer. Ante. Take L equal to 12. So what B automatically we know means why? Because 12 into 24 is 288. Substitute in the given equation. Whether we are getting 6:1 or not. You check. So 6:1 we are getting means that is the right answer. If not, go for B and C. Okay, just OTP through options or else lesson in chestanu. So cross multiply, simplify, and you have to solve the L value and solve here. Okay, so instead of doing that directly OTP we can go, right? Then question number 3. See, find the perimeter of a right angle triangle whose sides, not size, sides, whose sides are 5 12. Right angle triangle means what are the sides? One is 5 12 means what is the third one? Combination 5 12 13. Perimeter. What is perimeter? 5 plus 12 plus 13 is the perimeter. Sides, all sides we have to add. That means how much? 30. So answer is how much? 30. Option B is the right answer. Simple, direct question is given. Simple question is given. So in a right angle triangle, 2 sides we know means third side automatically we know. Why? Because triplet codes we know, right? Then next one. Sin theta minus cos theta equal to 1 by 29. Find the value of sin theta plus cos theta. So let it be, this is x. Already we discussed a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to x, and a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to y. Then what is the condition? So plus means minus, minus means plus has to come. In place of sin, cos has to come, cos place sin has to come, right? So if it is like this, then what is the condition? A square plus b square equal to x square plus y square. So this is the condition we discussed. Same here you observe. So 1 1 1 1. So a b both are same. So it is in that form or not? Exactly in the form. So what is the condition? A square. A square means 1 square plus, or else inka we confusion lekunda unte ikkada ila rastanu. In place of sin theta plus cos theta, I am writing cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. So ఇప్పుడు ఆల్టర్ అయినట్టు కనబడుతుంది కదా. Sin place లో cos, cos plus sin, minus place లో plus వచ్చింది. So a square 1 square plus 1 square equal to x square. X square means 1 by 29 whole square plus x square. So what is x square? X square is 2 minus 1 by 29 square. 29 into 29. So 81, 261, 18, 5. Right? 5 means 1, 4, 8, 841. So 841, right? 2 minus 841. 2 minus 841 means how much? 1682 means 1681 by 841. So x square is 1681 by 841. So x equal to 16841 square root, that is 41 by 29. So 41 by 29 is the right answer. So what is the x value? X value is 41 by 20. Remaining is simplification. This point you have to know. This is the most important point that we have to know. What is that one? A sin theta plus b cos theta equal to x, and a cos theta minus b sin theta equal to y. Then what is the relation? A square plus b square equal to x square plus y square. దీని మీద ఖచ్చితంగా క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి, అండ్ ఇది బేసిక్ మోడల్. సో దీని తర్వాత కూడా మనం ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ మోడల్స్ కూడా మనం క్లాస్ రూమ్లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం మనం. సో 4 to 5 మోడల్స్, డిఫరెంట్ మోడల్స్ వి డిస్కస్. ఇఫ్ నాట్ విత్ ప్లస్ అండ్ మైనస్ సింబల్స్ ఒకేలా లేకపోతే, ఆల్టర్ కాకపోతే, then what we have to do with sin and cos. Similarly we discussed about secant and tan, as well as with for cosecant and cot. All the concepts we discussed in classroom, right? So in that first concept, this is the case one and the basic concept is given. Okay, right? Then next one, question number 5. Sin 60 plus theta, sin 60 plus theta minus cos 60 minus the, put theta some value. Theta I am taking 30 degrees. Then what happens if theta is 30 degrees? What happens? This is sin 90, this is sin 90, and this is 0. What is sin 90? Sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1. So answer is how much? 0. So option A is the right answer. Simple. Okay, so I am taking theta equal to 30 degrees, then sin 90 minus cos 0. Sin 90 value is 1 and cos 0 value is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Simple question. Okay, so answer is how much? 0. And then next one, question number 6. Algebra question, maxima and minima. Maxima and minima. So in maxima minima 4 points we discussed actually. In maxima minima in classroom we will discuss 4 points. One is any quadratic equation is given. If it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, if it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, how to find the maximum value or minimum value అనేది డిస్కస్ చేసాం అవునా. సో how to identify whether we can find maximum or minimum. If a is greater than 0, we can find the minimum value. If a is less than 0, we can find the maximum value, and that value is minus b square by 4a plus c అని. At what value it is means minus b by 2 అని ఇవన్నీ అక్కడ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. So this is another model. So maximum value, how to find the maximum value? So a plus b plus c plus d equal to 2. Find the maximum value of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by. So anytime it is given, it is in symmetric manner it is given, so no problem. If it is not given in a symmetric manner, then also how to do the maximum and minimum value, అది కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. So anytime it is given, convert the given expression, convert the given equation into the required expression. మనకు కావాల్సిన required expression లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే we have to write a 1 plus a plus 1 plus b plus 1 plus c plus 1 plus d, like this we have to write, equal to, so this side 4 once we added, so this side also 4 plus 4 we have to add, right? That is how much? 6. Now share equally. 6 share equally. So 6 by 4, 6 by 4, 6 by 4, 6 by 4. So share equally. Then after share equally and substitute here. That is 6 by 4 whole square. 6 by 4 whole square means 3 by 2, sorry, whole power 4. 6 by 4 whole power, that is 3 by 2 whole power 4. Means 81 by 16. So what is the maximum value? 81 by 16 is the maximum value. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Note change. So maximum minimum lo దీంట్లో actually 1 plus A 1 plus B ఇవ్వాలని రూల్ లేదు. 1 plus A 2 minus B 3 plus C 4 minus D. So anyway they can give. ఎలా అయినా ఇవ్వచ్చు. Anyway they can give. Okay. Right. Note. Then next one. Question number 7. So again it's a number system question. It's not a pure maths question. Number system question. Just see. If A is a positive integer n is divided with 7, the remainder is 2. So which of the number is the options yields a remainder of 0 when divided with 7? Just see. N is divided with 7. Remainder is 2. So first we have to find one n value. So many n values will be there. One n value we will find. Simply how to write 7 into 1 plus 2. So that is 9. So just see, if you divide 9, if 9 is divided with 7, if 9 is divided with 7, what is the remainder? We'll get 2. 9 is 7 to divide just the 2 vastunda leda. Right. So our n is how much? This is n. N is how much? 9. Which of the numbers is options yields the remainder 0 when it is divided with 7? 7 తోటే డివైడ్ చేయాలి. 7 తో డివైడ్ చేయాలంటే ఈ n కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుంది రిమైండర్? చూడండి, 9 కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది? 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. So then the remainder is how much? 0. Remainder is how much? 0 means n plus 5. So what is n plus 5? అవునా కదా, సింపుల్. n 9 అయితే రిమైండర్ 2 వచ్చింది. సో 0 రావాలంటే మనం ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి? 9కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 7తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది? 5 యాడ్ చేస్తే 14 అవుతుంది. ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుందా లేదా? సో ఫర్ n వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్? 5 వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ యాడ్ 5, n plus 5, ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ద రిమైండర్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్? 0. రైట్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ n plus 5 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. అవునా? రైట్. అన్ని nతో ప్రాబ్లం చేయకుండా టేక్ ఏ నెంబర్, ఒక నెంబర్ తీసుకొని ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. దెన్ ప్రాబ్లం బికమ్స్ ఈజీ. రైట్. సో దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ question. Yes, again geometry question. We got a geometry question. What is that? Two circles touch each other externally. Two circles touching each other externally touching. The distance between the centers is 8. If the radius of the circle is 3, then find the radius of the other circle. If two circles touch each other externally, then what is the relation between distance between the centers and radius? D equal to R1 plus R2. D equal to R1 plus R2. Diagram vedam pani. So just see. So this is touching each other externally. This is R1 and this is R2. And this is the distance between them. What is D? D equal to R1 plus R2. D is given how much? D is D. 8 equal to 3 plus R2. So what is R2? R2 is how much? 5. Simple question. Option B is the right answer. Right? 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is the answer. So 5 is the right answer. So here this is the point you have to know. If two circles touch each other externally, what is D? D equal to R1 plus R2. If two circles touch each other internally, then what is D? D equal to R1 minus R2. So touch each other externally, this is for externally. This is for internally. Okay, and two circles touch each other externally. What is the direct common tangent formula? If two circles touch each other externally, then direct common tangent formula is 2 root R1 R2. Points anni gurtu ravali meeku ikkada. Okay, so if two circles touch each other externally, direct common tangent formula is 2 root R1 R2. Distance between them is R1 plus R2. If two circles touch each other internally, D equal to how much? R1 minus R2. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సో రిలేటెడ్ ఫార్ములాస్ అనేవి కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం ఒకసారి అంతే. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద పాయింట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు నో. D equal to how much? R1 plus R2. Okay, right. Then next one. Infinity series. So infinity series గురించి మన క్లాస్ రూమ్లో అరౌండ్ 10 to 12 ఫార్ములాస్ నేర్చుకున్నాం. 10 to 12 ఫార్ములాస్ we discussed. So 12 or not 10 to 12, around 14 formulas we discussed, I think so, out of which the first and the basic. So how we can write this one actually in depth దీని గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం actually. So here it is very simple. How we can write 30 we can write into product of two consecutive numbers. So 5, 6, 30. So if plus is there means what is the biggest value, that is the right answer. So what is the answer? 6 is the right answer. For example, minus is there, what is the answer? 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. But so this number we have to write in the product of two consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means side by side numbers product kinda rayali. If you can write in the form of two consecutive numbers, plus means bigger value, minus means smaller value. If you are not able to write in the product of two consecutive numbers, దీన్నే product of consecutive numbers కింద రాయలేం. For example, 30 is not there, 28 is there. In place of 30, what is that? 28 is there. 28 whether we can write into product of two consecutive numbers? No, we can write as 7 4s. So 7 and 4 are not consecutive numbers. Then we discussed formulas. Square root of 4a plus square root of 4a plus b square plus b by 2 అని మనం ఫార్ములా నేర్చుకున్నాం. Square root of 4a plus b square plus b by 2 అనే ఫార్ములా. It is minus b by 2 అని. Plus and minus and plus, different formulas we discuss, right? The first and the basic question is given. Okay, so infinity series గురించి మనం ఒక 15, 13, 14 formulas నేర్చుకున్నాం. Once if you know the formulas very well, any infinity series question easily we can do, within seconds we can do, right? Out of which the basic question is given here. Okay, right. Then next one, now a mensuration question. What is that? The perimeter of an isosceles triangle. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. No need of diagram for this, but explanation kosam rastunnanu ante. And the base is how much? 33. And perimeter is how much? 125. That is 2a plus b is how much? 125. B is already given 33. Find the value of a. That's it. Very simple. 2a plus b is 125. B is already given. We have to find a. So 2a equal to how much? 3, 90. Sorry, not 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 and 12 minus 92. 92 means a equal to how much? 46. 46. So option D is the right answer. So 92 plus 33 is 125. 92 half is 46. 46 right? So 46 is the right answer. Simple question, right? Then next one, question number 11. See, sin x equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Sin x equal to minus 1 by 2, right? So what is actually sin x equal to 1 by 2 means what is x? X is how much? 30 degrees. Sin x equal to 1 by 2 means sin is x is how much? 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. But here minus 1 by 2 is there. So when sin is minus, in which quadrant sin is minus? In first quadrant sin is positive. In second quadrant sin is positive. In third quadrant sin is negative. Fourth quadrant sin is negative. That means in third quadrant as well as fourth quadrant sin is negative. So how we can write? So this we can write it as pi plus, so third quadrant means pi plus theta, 90 plus theta. So pi plus our theta is 30 degrees means pi by 6. So pi plus pi by 6. So this is pi plus pi by 6. So sin of pi plus pi by 6 means sin 7 pi by 6. 7 minus 7 pi by 6 is 1 minus 1 by 2. So what is x? X is how much? 7 pi by 6 is the right answer. Very simple. In third quadrant, which quadrant it is negative? In third quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. Third quadrant or fourth quadrant, wherever it is, so sin is negative. So in first quadrant 30 degrees is positive, 1 by 2. For 1 by 2, 30 degrees is positive. When it is negative, if we add 180, if we add 180, 180 means pi. So 180 plus 30 will get the negative. Same value will get the negative. 180 plus 30. So 180 plus 30 means 7 pi by 6. 210, that is 7 pi by 6. So 7 pi by 6 is the right answer. By this, shift question papers we completed. So in next class, we will see the next shift questions what we are getting in pure maths, right? Thank you.